let's do more. How about we make an HTML page? So create index HTML. I think we saw that if there is an index HTML, and please lowercase it, it'll use that as the default page when you load that up on the server. I actually just saw it uses the README if that's not there. I actually didn't know that. GitHub Pages happens to work that way. And in the index HTML, we can again put our boilerplate. If you happen to have installed HTML5 boilerplate into Visual Studio Code, then you can just type HTML tab, and it'll do all that. If not, I will copy and paste this. May as well give it a title. So title, Michael Baywatch. And let's go ahead and add foundation to this real quick. We've done that once before. I'm getting ready to paste it. Oh no, the HTML you mean? I'll do it after I put these next two things in. How's that? So in the head, at the end, I'm going to put that same link to foundation. If you want just that, here we go in Slack. And then let's go ahead and make our style sheet and our JavaScript, because we know we're going to do that, right? So I'm going to make new files. This time I'm going to call them app.js and app.css. App.js, app.css. I'm not going to put anything in them, but I'm going to go ahead and link to them. So again, after foundation, we make our own link, href app.css. At the bottom of the body, we put a script tag. Source equals app.js. Why do I put it at the bottom of the body? Anybody know? Yeah.
So the page can load before it loads the script.
Yeah, so the page is loaded because a script tag does not stop the page from rendering. It doesn't get to that and then wait until that's finished. Never mind. Anyway, point is, if you put it higher, the DOM that appears underneath it may not have rendered yet. So you would have to put something in there to wait. Or you could just put it at the bottom of the body and then you don't have to worry about it because all the HTML in here will block rendering and will keep the script tag from running until you reach that line. So you can count on those elements being there so you don't do a document query selector and try to grab something that isn't there yet. So we move it to the bottom of the page. Let's see. Does a script tag block rendering? Since I did start the use of that. Well, let's not worry about that right now. Okay. So I'll go ahead and put an H1 on here real quick, so I'll just have something to see in the browser. Baywatch. Or if you want, Baywatch, whatever. And then open this in the browser. If you do have Chrome as your default browser, you could run open index.html or on Windows start index.html. Anytime I type open, you should type start on Windows. There we go. There it is. Now I'm going to open up my developer tools, and I just want to make sure that the JavaScript and the CSS files are there, even though there's nothing in them. So I'm going to go to the sources tab. Okay, there's app CSS. There's my foundation. It's not showing the script. So let's just make sure, let's put something in there. Refresh. Yup. Okay, it's good. So I can rest assured that I don't have any problems in here yet. But all I want to do in this commit is put the boilerplate in, link to foundation, link to my empty CSS and app.js. Heck, I might even take the H1 out at this point, because this is just supposed to be my blank state. So I'm not even going to put that in there. I'm just wiring it all up. A more or less empty document. Cool. All right, now here's a little secret that I've been keeping from you. Yeah, what's up? Nope, nope, it is not. There you go. Okay, secret. Visual Studio Code has Git integration built in. See this little thing there in the sidebar? That means 3 files have changed since my last commit. Click over there. There they are. Type my commit message. Add boilerplate and foundation. Hit the little check mark, and it's committed. To push it, this little ellipsis menu here, just hit push, and it does it. So a little faster than flipping out to the console all the time. But hey, also you can hit control backtick and open up a little terminal right inside code as well. Another little secret. Control backtick. And yep, sure enough, there's my second commit. From the little menu that showed up there, this little ellipsis menu. Yep.